Very nice. And you got your seat room, so you slid your box in and you can still keep it.
Because this is my daily.
Yeah.
I was trying to make that.
Need a box design? Visit Car Stereo FX Designs and use discount code JacobViral there, as well as at SkyHigh Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
So did you build this into the vehicle, or did you slide it in?
I took this door off and slid it in there.
Very tight space then.
Yep.
Nice. Did a good job though.
I appreciate it.
Is your batteries in the front of the box, or?
They're in the center console.
Okay.
Yep.
Got it. All right. So what's your name and what's in here, man?
My name's Jacob. I've got 4 Sundown X15s on 2 of the Def Bounce AAK 4Ks strapped at 1 ohm. Or strapped at 1.
Yep.
So I'm half ohm per amp.
Okay. Nice. Do you know the cubic space on your box?
Way too big.
Way too big?
Yeah, I messed it up when I built it. It's like 18 cubes, I think.
Okay.
It should be tuned around 34-ish. I messed up the tuning too, but it does pretty good.
So is it too big, as in, is it unloading, or is it just not playing what you like it at?
Yeah, I wish it would play down a little lower.
What's your frequency range then?
It does like 30 to like 50, really. Like it loves the highs.
Okay.
I'll try and play something a little higher.
So what is your box tuned to then?
It's like 34-ish.
I bet you at nighttime it looks good. Just that little LED strip, but it works. Very nice. And you got your seat room, so you slid your box in and you can still keep it.
Because this is my daily.
Yeah.
I was trying to make that.
You made it work, but your box, if your box is a little big, have you considered shrinking it at all?
I have shrunk.
You have? Okay.
Just the side walls. I added 2 more sheets.
Got it. Yes, sir.
All right. My labors. It's DJ Rustin.
makes me sneeze a little bit at a higher note. Yeah, thank you for the demo, man. Awesome. What was your name?
Jacob.
Jacob. JacobViral, Jacob. Awesome. Appreciate it, man. This is in a Tacoma or?
Tundra.
A Tundra. Toyota Tundra, sorry. Awesome.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at SkyHigh Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.